Welcome back to my channel here. This is Pedro Fame. So I wanted to go ahead and get to you guys about a new monitor that is coming out that I wanted to go ahead and show you guys. It's on the Samsung website. It was one of the ones that they showed off on CES. It is the brand new 43-inch Odyssey Neo G7. I wanted to let you guys know that I am going to be interested in this monitor to replace the current monitor that I have that's going on, which is my Samsung M7 32-inch. So I'm thinking of replacing it with this bad boy, this Odyssey Neo G7, the 43-inch monitor. So to me, it is the perfect pretty much size of not being too big but not being too small. I know most people this is probably gigantic to them, but to me this is absolutely perfect. It can be base mounted. It has the mini LED, which is what I was looking for. I was looking for OLED or mini LED. I was looking for 4K. I was looking for 4K. Could be 1440 with a higher upscale resolution, but I was really hoping for this one. I was also hoping for it to be a good gaming monitor. Obviously, I do have a PS5 and an Xbox Series X, so I did want to make sure that it did work well with those. And then I also have a Mac Studio that I like recording in 4K, so I like to make sure that it can obviously see the 4K natively. So this monitor is an absolute beast of a monitor. It comes in at $1,000, which is absolute fair price for what this monitor is. 144 Hertz, 43 inches, 4K, mini LED. So obviously it's absolutely amazing. Has speakers, has the new gaming hub, new software inside of it. So obviously it's a smart monitor, so really great. I want to go ahead and touch on the ports. There's two HDMI 2.1 ports. There's a gigabit Ethernet port. There is a display port 1.4, if I'm not wrong. There is two USB A's ports here as well. And then also, I believe it's a headphone jack. Yes, headphone jack as well. So as you guys can see here on the left-hand side, these are what you have here. Oh, then you also have an SSPC as well. But yes, so really cool look here at everything. It's awesome that it's in white. I think that is the best part for me. I love the white back with the black front. I think it's a cool two-tone look. I also love the remote that it comes in white as well, and it comes better than the standard remote. I have the remote that I currently have has the same things that this one has, except this one has the Disney. I don't have the Disney. I just have the Prime and Netflix. But it's relatively looking the same. It's just a little smaller in the new ones, which I like compared to the one that I have now. And also mine is a curvature, where this one doesn't have a curvature in it, so that's a little different. Let me see. I'm going to show you guys some other stuff as well. So obviously you can stream your favorite content, which is probably to me the best part, along with its visually capsulating the smooth gameplay. I can also do Xbox on here as well through the Xbox Game Pass app that they have here. They have Luna. They also have NVIDIA's GeForce Now. Couldn't speak. So those are pretty cool things. Also has Twitch on here. So it's really cool. Great response time, one millisecond response time. I know there's one that's 0.1, but I'm not looking for super fast gaming. I'm not a competitive gamer. So really, as long as it had 4K 120 or above, I was pretty good with it, to be honest with you. I love that it has the quantum mini LED, and I love that how it shows it here compared to edge lighting or anything like that. It is absolutely sensational. As well as you can see the contrast ratios and HDRs features here, and just the way it looks so stunning. I love the base, similar to the one that I have now, just in a hexagon or a pentagon, I believe. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, hexagon. Yeah, I'm sorry, hexagon shape. So I think it looks absolutely cool like that. The speakers are on the left and right hand side. Here's the gaming features here. You can see everything that you can play, which is really awesome. Like I said, the high refresh rate, 144 Hertz, which is amazing. So if you have a gaming PC, you can pretty much use that with this as well. And then you have AMD's FreeSync, so you can see the difference between the screen tearing and the non-screen tearing. And then conventional versus a matte display. This is a matte display versus the conventional, which has the gloss. So awesome to see that. And the best, I think one of the best parts is you can shrink this, and you can make it. You can put it up, down, left, right, and you can shrink the size. So you don't have to play it in the 43-inch setting. You can put it down to as small as 20 inches. So I think that's what makes it really cool and interesting. It's a 16 by 9 natively. You can stretch it to a 21 by 9, so you can cut off top and bottom bezels and stretch it left and right. You can do that as well. For competitive gaming, you can see why you would want to make that maybe a 16 by 9. The game bar allows you to change the tighten the response time, the game pictures, the ultra-wide game mode, and the virtual aim point, if you would like that as well. And you can see that here on the bottom here. And you can see the frame rates at which you're playing on, if you have HDR, if you have VRR on as well, which it does offer VRR. I don't think there's very many at all. It's in the wild. But it is an absolute awesome beast. I can't wait to get my hands on it. Hopefully I can get it sooner rather than later, but we're going to see. If I do decide that this is going to be my new monitor, I'm still deciding which monitor I want to get. There's a couple, like I said, still in the running. But if this is the one that I do decide to go with, I'll show you guys the ordering when it comes in, the unboxing process, and then I'll do a 1 week review, and then I'll do a long-term review. So make sure to stay tuned. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching my latest video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.